look. I know it's been a while since I made a video, okay? Today we created just like a simple neutral eye. If you like this look and you're interested in how I came up with it, please keep watching. So, I know it's been a while since, I made a video. That is only because a bitch has been going through the motions of life. And so today, what we're gonna be doing is just playing around with makeup. I don't know what palette we're gonna be playing with today. I have a lot of makeup, so I'm just gonna create a look and give you a little bit of a 411 about me, who I am, what I'm about, what I've been doing, and etc. So if you guys are interested in hearing more, please keep watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share this video, comment, blah blah blah. Let's get pretty. This is a banana smoothie mixed with coffee in it. It's fucking delicious. Love that. This is not a plastic straw for all you environmentalists. This is a paper straw, okay? This paper straws, it just ain't working. This shit is falling apart and you're literally drinking paper. Like, I don't know who thought of that, but this is just not the way to go. Enough of that, let's get started. For real. I have already moisturized my face. So what I like to do usually in my makeup routines is first do my eyes. I don't know why, but that's just me. Everybody has their own thing. So I'm gonna start priming my eyes. And what I like to use, as always, as said in my previous videos, this is my go-to. This is my right hand. This is ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I love this concealer. It's only $6, girl. $6. I bought this back in May, I think, and it's almost gone, but it's still got a lot of use left. So I highly recommend them to anybody, and I just love how attainable they are to a diverse group of customer base. I live for it. So yes, this color is extremely light. I would never use this under my eyes. But however, when I put this on my eyelid as a base, it creates kind of like a blank canvas for me. That's all you really need. And it's very light on my eye, but that's why I like it, because it makes my colors pop when I do apply the eyeshadow. So this helps everything just really pop. When I get it nice and blended, the cool thing about this formula is that it dries very fast, so you kind of gotta work quick. It kind of has like a powdery consistency, so I think that's where the no filter aspect comes from. Is it creates like this blur. Like, I love it. $6, bitch, come on. So boom, that's the first eye. All right, so as promised, I will be giving you guys a little update of what I've been doing. Sorry. So I have been a banker for about like 5 years now, working at several banks. I've worked at Wells Fargo, I've worked at Bank of America, I've even worked for credit union. It's never given me any sense of fulfillment. It's never given me any sense of passion, motivation. All it's given me in this whole career of banking is just straight up stress. Feeling like I'm wasting my motherfucking life. It's been a couple times where I've almost went to jail going off on these motherfuckers that got me fucked up in your face. Like, why is my account overdrawn? Why ain't this wire clear at this time? This person told me this person told me that. I can't do it no more, okay? I'm no. Like, it's so much energy that will go into that type of career. If you love it, then hey, do it. Do what you love. For me, every single day was a struggle. And the thing is, it's like, I just don't want to follow into a trap where I'm working my ass off for companies, right? And there's no appreciation, and I end up getting burnt out. I'm putting another company on. I'm putting my blood, sweat, and tears, risking time that I can be spending with my children to make another company rich. I really would be so proud of myself if I were to start my own business. I don't want to get too much into it because I don't want to say it and like just have like hella pressure, but just know that that's what I'm working towards. I want to be my own boss. I want to work for myself. It's me. It's like my brand, my business, and everything that I do, every investment, every meeting, every time I have to wake up early in the morning, it's because it's going to get myself, my brand, my business, my family to the next level. Nothing more would be motivating to me. So that is my main goal of 2020. I hope your guys' New Year's and holidays were amazing. I know mine were. I took my girls to the snow with my whole family. We had a great time. It was good vibes. Don't like the cold, but got some cute pictures, so I ain't mad at it. So we have primed these eyes. Swear to God, look how smooth that looks. Always put some type of base on. I don't like eyeshadow primer. That's just me. I think that concealer works 10 times better. It just grabs onto the makeup better. Just make sure you always put a base before you put on eyeshadow. Because if you just go in and you just start putting eyeshadow and there's no base, like, girl, that shit's gonna look dusty as fuck. Hey, and I'm not hating on nobody that does that. That's fine. I'm just saying, not for me. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I have actually filmed several tutorials with this motherfucking palette, and I never posted it because my eyes always look cockeyed at the end. If you look at the palettes, it's very like, this says summer 2019 all over it, especially this lime green scenario going on there. It's January 3rd, I think. So I'm gonna stick to more of a neutral browns, probably like around this area, and create like a really super soft eye. I'm gonna be using the James Shaw Morphe brush collection that he came out with. This is the mini version right here. I do have the full version that he came out with. These are more brushes that are not part of his collection, but most of them are in here. So I think I'm gonna start with this brush. I like it. Be kind of like a flat brush. Let's see. I need a fluffy brush. There's a smaller one. So actually, this is the big one, and then they have a smaller version of this one. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with this color first here, and then to deepen it up, I'm gonna go here, and then to deepen it up more, I'm gonna go here. As the final dark color, I don't know yet, we'll see. Take a sip of my banana coffee milkshake. Okay, my mirror is dirty as fuck. Okay, so here we go with the first color. Ooh, damn, look at that. Damn. Whatever. This is cute. This is exactly the color that I was looking for. I like warm tones. I just feel like it looks great on me. I'm gonna blend this shit out. I'm gonna focus before I fuck it up. And yeah, I'll be right back. Magic Concealer, I believe it's called. Very good concealer. Juvia's Place in general, their products are amazing. They're so well made with such dignity. See, I already hit the pan because this color is beautiful. It's beautiful on anybody. It is a very light shimmery gold, and I think it will bring this look back to life because we was looking a little dusty. Didn't know it was gonna go like that. Okay, so I am back. I did both eyes. As you can see, I am just a neutral girl, but I do want to be more adventurous this year. But anyways, it's cute, and we're gonna go into our foundation now. So one of my favorite foundations that I have been using lately is the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced. Alright, so I have my damp beauty blender. This is an original beauty blender here, and she is damp, just how I like it. Damp beauty blenders definitely give you more of a dewy vibe. So what I like to do next is go in with the same collection, which is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. Again, beautiful application. It's buildable as well, and yeah, it pairs perfect with the foundation. So I just do about 4 dots. And then I start working on my brows after that, because once the concealer kind of dries down, it gets a little thicker, and I feel like it gives a lot better coverage once it's a little dry. So now we're gonna work on the brows. Thing with my eyebrows, this eyebrow never gives me no problems. She knows who she is in life, and she does it well. This bitch, on the other hand, is the confused bitch that don't know who the fuck she is. They don't get along. I just feel like she's just jealous of this eyebrow. That's just my theory. But we gotta work with what we got. They're sisters, but they're just not on talking terms at this point. To blend the top, I just use this regular concealer blending brush and just light strokes, bitch, light strokes. Okay, so now the bottom part. What I do to blend out the bottom part, I use the brush that I used for my first transition color that I did on my eyeshadow to blend out the concealer. So very lightly, I just go over it. I kind of want to bring down the concealer a little bit, just a little bit. I like to go back in with a beauty blender to really get it in my skin so we can get that skin-like effect. So this is one of my favorite powders ever. Maybelline, the Fit Me Maybelline powder has worked the best for me, the absolute best. I love this shit. You can get it at Target, you can get it at Walgreens, CVS, any drugstore. They also sell it at Ulta. So now what I do is I dip my beauty blender in. Just a little bit, well, a little bit more than that. It's a good amount. And I press it into the skin. So now we're going into bronzer to bring life back into my pale ass face. I have been using the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. Kind of embarrassed to show you guys. I use this color here as my bronzer. I don't know, I don't have a bronzer right now and I can't find a good one. I'm trying to get my hands on the Fenty bronzer in my shade, but every time I go it's sold out. A super soft, fluffy brush. Back in with my beauty blender and my powder, and we are gonna sculpt out the contour. Lashes, duh. My favorite part of this motherfucking video. Shout out Olivia. Shout out to Glamorous Minx. The best motherfucking lashes you will ever put on your eyes. If you think you're a bad bitch, have you checked in the mirror? Do you have a pair of Glamorous Minx lashes on? If not, I would reconsider that statement. Glamorous Minx is a company ran by all women that are dedicated to providing the most high quality, affordable, beautiful mink lashes. Y'all seen in the past, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm serious when it comes to my lashes. I'd rather spend $100 worth of strip lashes than spend $100 every 2 weeks to get put on fucking lash extensions. I don't get why people do it, but whatever, that works for you, that works for you. No, I'm gonna stick to my strip lashes and I'm gonna stick to my glamorous mink bitch. No, I'm just saying. Yeah, so today we are going to be using the style Olivia. I love these lashes. Just like get into it real quick. These lashes are so wispy. They give me like these Marilyn Monroe vibes. Like they're short in the front and then they kind of flare out at the end. Super glam, super cute. I love them. If you go to my Instagram, they're blasted all over, telling you get your life. Their sale is extending, so a single box of lashes is $11, bitch. $11 for actual real mink, beautiful, glamorous mink lashes. So first I'm gonna put some mascara on, okay? And then in most cases, if I wanted to be, you know, basic, I can just walk out the house like that. Lashes take your look to a whole nother level. It's facts, okay? So I'm gonna show you right here. I'm gonna be applying some mascara. This is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I always recommend before you put on your lashes anyway, put mascara on, so when you put on your fake eyelashes, they blend in more. Okay, so if I was a basic bitch, I'd be like, yeah, I'm done. But no, watch when we put on these lashes, bitch. Watch. It's gonna take my look to a whole nother level. To the VIP table, bitch. Okay, here we go. So you want to center them. You always want to make sure that the glue on the lashes is tacky before you apply your eyelashes. Wait at least like 2 minutes before you put them on, or else you're gonna get glue everywhere. Okay, so we apply the lash, we drop it. It's not on fully, but we can see how it's gonna apply. Do we like that angle? Do we need to put it in just a little bit more? I think so. It gets really, really long at the end. If you put it like all the way here, you're gonna look like you have droopy, sad eyes. We don't want that. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so bitch, told you. We went from trying to fucking flag down the bartender at the club to popping bottles, bitches. Okay, glamorous minks. I will say it again. I will say it twice. I will say it 3 times. I say it as many times as these bitches need to get it through their motherfucking mind. All right, so I am gonna put a little bit of eyeliner on just to finish off this look on the eyes. This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Honestly, it's not my favorite eyeliner, but it'll do for this look today. We are almost done with this look. It's coming together. Oh. I need to recurl that. What I would usually do is use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray Mist. I ran out completely out of the mist, but I I did get the Urban Decay All Night Honey Edition setting spray. So for today, this is gonna do. So we're just gonna spritz this all over our face. We're gonna dry a little, just a little. I'm using my favorite highlight, which is the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlights, and I just had it. I love me some Fenty, just like every other girl does. Get it up. A girl then forgot her blush. I know I was forgetting something. We're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place blush palette. So beautiful, so beautiful. I love this blush palette. This is from the James Charles Morphe collab collection. This is a crucial part of at least my makeup routine because I feel like it just melts everything into the skin. Okay, dry a little bit. Now we're gonna blend everything in. I am satisfied. I want some in the eye corner highlights. So, this is the ColourPop Misunderstood Disney Villains palette. I had to get it because I love Disney and I love all the villains. And the freaking shimmers are sickening. Sickening. I'm gonna keep it simple today. I'm gonna be using the Line Crime liquid lipstick. This is in the color Riot. Okay, so this is the final look. It's very like neutral vibes, but like still glam. Still could take this out, you know, night on the town, to the movies, whatever, you know. Like I said, today we were just playing with makeup and getting to know me a little bit more. I hope you guys liked this video. Again, if you did, please like, please subscribe, please share, and I will see you guys soon. I love you and thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Love you.